I never believed in time travel until the day I received a letter from my future self. Put on your headphones, relax, and shadow each sentence with me. Repeat after every pause and let the words become your own. Dear younger me, I know you're tired. I know you smile in front of everyone, but cry when you're alone. I remember every tear, because they were mine too. You think nobody notices your pain, but I do. I lived through it. I remember the nights when you looked at the ceiling, asking, will my life ever change? Yes, it will. Not tomorrow, not next week, but one day you'll smile without pretending. Right now, you think you're losing, but you're actually growing. I know you miss the people who left. I know some promises were broken. I know your heart still hurts. There are days when you want to give up. Please, don't. One more sunrise. One more step. That's all I'm asking. One day, Mom will smile because of you. Dad will say, I'm proud of you. The dream you almost gave up on will become the reason someone else believes in themselves. You don't need to be perfect. You only need to keep going. Every failure is quietly preparing you for something greater. One day, you'll read this letter again, with tears in your eyes. Not because you're still hurting, but because you survived. Thank you for refusing to quit. Because of your courage, I exist. With love, your future self. Thank you for shadowing with me today. Read this letter again whenever you need hope. Keep speaking. Keep believing. Your future is listening. If this story touched your heart, don't forget to like, subscribe, and join me for more English shadowing stories.